Hello there. The weather over Christmas was very quiet. The weather over New Year, though, is going to be very different, as we'll see in a moment. Things started to change a bit on Sunday. We had less mist and fog, that high pressure that's brought the foggy weather getting pushed away. The winds are picking up. And across the north, we've got that weather front bringing rain. And most of it's going to be in Scotland. And through Monday and into Tuesday, we've got the risk of some travel disruption from the central belt northwards. Spells of heavy rain, perhaps some snow as well, and the risk of some flooding. It's a wet start for much of Scotland on Monday. Snow in Caithness and Sutherland. The worst of the wet weather does move away. We'll see some patchy rain heading into southern Scotland, Northern Ireland and the far north of England, where it's going to be very windy over the northern Pennines and some stronger winds further south, breaking up the cloud and lifting temperatures into double figures. It does become drier in northern Scotland, but it's going to be quite cold here as well. And then as we head into Tuesday, New Year's Eve, another area of low pressure intensifying the rain in the same sort of area. So some more wet weather and heavy rain to start with in Scotland. Again, the worst of it should move through. We'll see a band of rain sweeping away from Northern Ireland, heading into England and Wales, and some stronger winds too, particularly windy across this part of the country. And we may well find the rain turning to snow in northern areas of Scotland, where it's still cold. But otherwise, New Year's Eve is going to be mild, temperatures 11 or 12 degrees. And as if you think things couldn't get any worse, we've got another area of low pressure arriving for New Year's Day. This one's tracking across more of the UK, so it's going to bring more disruption more widely. Combination of some rain and some strong winds, and for some areas some heavy snow as well. Now the strongest winds are likely to be across England and Wales on Wednesday, widely gusts 50-60 miles an hour, stronger around some southern and western coasts and hills. More rain though, and that's going to be really piling up in Wales, a couple of inches quite widely. That's likely to bring some flooding. And further north in Northern Ireland, and particularly Scotland and developing in northern England, we're going to find some heavy snow, 10 centimetres widely, more over the hills with blizzards and drifting. We've got cold air for the northern half of the UK, but mild air, the last of the mild air, further south. Now that disruptive weather could linger into Wednesday night before the low pressure finally pulls away for Thursday. That allows us to draw down air from the Arctic, bringing colder conditions. Now there's still a weather front lingering through the Channel, bringing that rain there and a hangback of cloud in southern counties of England. Otherwise, a lot of sunshine and many places will be dry, but that northerly wind is going to bring wintry showers to northern Scotland and a packet too for the northeast of England. Temperatures struggling to get much above freezing in Scotland, and a high of maybe 6 degrees in the south. So colder everywhere, and with clear skies overnight. Friday morning is going to start with a widespread frost. Temperatures in Scotland could be as low as -9 degrees. And through the day, it's going to be dry for many places with some more sunshine, but more sleet and snow showers coming into Scotland, pushing their way further south into Northern Ireland as well. And again, it's going to be a cold day, temperatures 1 to 5 Celsius. Now looking further ahead, looks like we're going to hang on to that colder, wintry weather for the next few days into the following weekend and beyond. High pressure may start to build in and reduce the number of wintry showers, but it's still going to be cold. We've got the risk of some ice and some frost.